Hey everyone, today we've witnessed AMG's spectacular unveiling of the 2025 GLC 63S SUV, a powerhouse that's about to redefine speed and technology. In this video, we've taken a deep dive into the jaw-dropping details of this beast, where AMG has not only upped the ante in power but also introduced world-premiere tech, making this SUV a true marvel on wheels. AMG has unleashed a storm with the 2025 GLC 63S SUV, offering a mind-blowing 670 horsepower that's poised to set new benchmarks in the SUV segment. Beyond sheer power, AMG has incorporated cutting-edge technology that's poised to elevate the driving experience to unparalleled heights. Our exploration has delved into the exceptional performance metrics, innovative tech features, and the seamless integration that positions the GLC 63S SUV as a pioneer in the automotive world. This latest offering from AMG showcases their relentless pursuit of automotive excellence, blending raw power with groundbreaking technology. The 2025 GLC 63S SUV stands as a testament to AMG's commitment to pushing boundaries, delivering an unmatched driving experience that enthusiasts have eagerly anticipated. With its amalgamation of power and innovation, this SUV is undoubtedly set to make a lasting impression in the automotive landscape. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.